Hi friends, this video shows how to send unknown apps to Google for better scanning and detect viruses and malwares. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner, go to privacy, go down, select security. Here you can see scan apps with player protect. Let me enable this option. Done. So when we enable this option, device scan all apps installed in this device using Google Play Protect and detect viruses and malwares. Here you can see the second option, improve harmful app detection. Let me enable this. Done. So this option will help us to send unknown apps to Google for better scanning and detect viruses and malwares. So that is the advantage with this option. So it will send unknown apps to Google for better scanning. So this way we can enable that option. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.